Records display in the list based on the value entered in the order column. We navigate to the end of the list. We can see that the Z record is number 26 in the list. We'll enter a new record. We'll call it test, tab key, and we'll save the record. When a new record is added at the end of the list, a value is automatically created in the order column. The number created is the next value in sequential order. You can change a list of items' position in the list using the up and down arrow keys. With the record selected, use the up arrow to move it up one position, the down arrow to move it down one position. If you want to move a newly added record to the top of a list, with that record selected, click the to top command button. If you want to move a selected record a lot of places in the list, you can do so by simply changing the value in the order field. For this example, we'll move it down to position 10, and I'll type 10. Again, save the record. Then you can use the R function. I'll click the button. First, you have an opportunity to cancel the operation. We're going to click OK because we want to fix the show order numbering. Next, we're given an option to either reorder the list or just renumber it. If we reorder it, these record with the value tab will be moved down to that position, and all the remaining numbers in the order column will be renumbered starting at the top with number 1. For this example, I want to reorder the item in the list first, so I'll click Yes. Now our record is at the 10th position. To send this record test to the end of the list, noting that there are 27 items in the list, I'll change its value to 28, one more than the number in the list. Then I'll leave the field and come back just to save the record. Next, I'll click the R function again. I'll say yes because I don't want to cancel the operation. I want to reorder first, which means I want to put test at the end of the list and then fix all the numbers. Yes. Now the test record is the last record in the list. I could also put test as the first record using the R function. I'll change the current order number to 0, save that value, then I'll click the R button. I'll say OK and I'll say yes. Now test is the first item in the list. And again, if you scroll, you'll find that all the items have been sequentially numbered. I'm going to select record it here. You will find an R function button for each of the 4 sublevels, or for levels 2 through 5. We're going to change record A's order to 5. Save that. We're going to use the R button one more time. I'm going to fix, but I don't want to reorder before renumbering. That is to say, I want to leave A where it is. I'll click No. And A is still in number 2 position.